For this problem, we're asked to factor negative x squared plus 14x plus 32. Now the thing that's unique about this trinomial is that a equals negative 1. Whenever we have a trinomial where a equals negative 1, we want to factor out that negative 1. So we turn negative x squared plus 14x plus 32 into negative 1 times x squared minus 14x minus 32. When we factor out that negative 1, we essentially just change all of the signs of our terms. So negative x squared becomes x squared, 14x becomes negative 14x, and 32 becomes negative 32. From there, we don't worry about this guy, and we attack right over here. And once again, we ask ourselves, what are those two numbers that have a product of negative 32 and a sum of negative 14? Now, since this is a minus, we understand that our signs are going to alternate. So we're thinking in our head, really, a difference of 14. Two numbers that multiply to 32, or negative 32, and have a difference of 14. So in our head, or with our calculator, we start coming up with all the factor pairs. We have 32 times 1. Nope, not a difference of 14. We have 8 times 4. Nope, not a difference of 14. But then we ask ourselves, what about 16 times 2? There is a difference of 14. And then we tell ourselves that this b here is a negative 14. So our bigger number wants to be negative. So when we multiply negative 16 and 2, we satisfy the product. And then when we add negative 16 and 2, we satisfy that sum. And then from there, we're all set. We want to make sure that we do x plus 2 and x minus 16. And we don't forget about that negative 1, and it stays right there. And from there, we understand that negative x squared plus 14x plus 32 factors to negative 1 times the two binomials, x plus 2 and x minus 16.